Hello guys, and this is Alex. I will be on the background because I am shooting the video, and this is John Seba, my client, my friend, and American veteran. So what we're going to do, we have Permobil F5, which is the great chair, and it is designed by my teacher, Ben Ekstrom. The seating system itself designed by my teacher, and we're gonna do some adjustment because it looks to me a little bit uncomfortable for John's posture and not exactly set up. So I did minor adjustment already of the positioning of the back, and we're gonna work with the feet to accommodate it. How tall are you, John?
5'11".
5'11". And John is long-legged, and I can see some issues with the feet positioning here, and that you can see. And we have a Henry right here. Oh, Henry, okay, say hello, my hairy friend. And we're gonna do some adjustment, as I said, and we'll see the outcome. Okay, and now we're back to John after adjustment. So, and what do you want to say, John? How do you feel right now?
I feel like I have much more support, and the chair's grip is supporting me inside of it without slipping out easily.
Anything else?
I got good posture. My legs are sitting on the foot plate securely, and just very much improved at what it was an hour ago.